The government has announced the passing of Ms. Venus Shoa, a respected former diplomat who died on Friday 1 August 2025 in Harare. Sabina mashoko kubuda panguva inoi pachiuya pachirilidzwa nhau avo dzinosirisa avo dzekutisiya avo koita a top diplomat. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Jimina munamobuda nyikwa mchinzi. Ms. Shoa served the distinction in various diplomatic missions. She was executive assistant to the ambassador at Zimbabwe's embassy in Dhaka, Senegal, before briefly returning to head office in Harare. She was later posted to Malabo, Equatorial Guinea, where she played a key role in establishment of Zimbabwe's embassy there. Upon her return to Harare, she continued to serve in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs within the Public Diplomacy Department until her retirement. Remembered for her diligence, humility, and exceptional institutional memory, Ms. Shoa was known for her dedication, professionalism, and deep understanding of the Ministry of Operations and Ethos. Her passing is a great loss to all who had the honor of working with her. She was laid to rest on Monday 4 August 2025 in Harare. She is survived by her two sons, Mokai Graham and Mnyarazi, both of whom are based in Canada. Ndo mashuko arikuda panguva ino mashuko anosirisa pamusoro aiwa pe a top diplomat anoonekwa kunzi aiwa she was influential and panguva ino munhu akanga ari loyal, munhu akanga ari decent, aizviitira basa rake, but panguva ino kunyange akanga ari dedicated, akanga ne professionalism. Panguva ino tikuona kuti the ministry and the government of Zimbabwe aiwa iriyo panguva ino ichimuchema ichiti aiwa mweya wake ngauzorore murugare. Tuze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Aiwa vamwe mukwanisa kupasa again your condolence messages aiwa in the comment section. Kune comment section medu subscribe or like pachita on the bell icon.